How to export part of a video in Final Cut Pro. So as you can see right here, this is the full length of the project, 7 minutes and 36 seconds. But I only want to export the first 2 minutes or so. So the default mouse you're going to have is the selection tool, where you can highlight things like this, click and drag, so and so. But in order to export part of a video, you need to change to the range selection tool. So click here and then click range selection. Then I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and if I click on a section of the video, you can see that it highlights with a yellow border, but there's also these little handles on the end. If I grab this handle and drag it all the way to the beginning, then it will export this whole section. So as you can see, I've selected 2 minutes and 42 seconds of the total 7 minutes and 36 seconds. So if I click Command E to export, and I click next and then save, it will start exporting the video. So while that exports in the background, I would just like to clarify this. What's currently highlighted is the main part of the timeline. But as you can see, I also have overlays and I also have some audio underneath. All of that is going to be exported even though it isn't directly highlighted. So as you can see, the file was shared successfully. This is it right here. And the length of the final video is 2 minutes and 42 seconds.